Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Steps Recorder in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click Application Compatibility. Open Turn off Step Recorder. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart your system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.